Post-apocalyptic scenes in the Philippines as survivors of one of the most powerful typhoons ever to hit land try to find dry land and food.
The typhoon slammed into the Philippines at 4:30 a.m. Friday morning with winds of 195 miles per hour.
Storm surges as high as trees laid waste to towns and villages.
The National Weather Service said today that the tornado that struck near Oklahoma City Friday night was the widest ever recorded.
It was so massive it appeared as a dark cloud, not a funnel.
What's happening in Boulder? A 1 in 1,000 year flood for many communities.
Residents say this level of flooding is unprecedented.
Tonight, investigators are trying to solve a bizarre mystery.
And we start with the loud boom heard by many and so far explained by none.
Sheriff's Department is asking people in that area to quit calling 911 about the loud booms that they are hearing.
All right, large asteroids are hitting the Earth far more often than anyone realized.
Phone calls about a bright light flashing across the sky last night.
Followed by a huge boom.
Parts of southwest England have been underwater for weeks after heavy rain in February followed the wettest January in nearly 250 years.
Solomon Islands has been hit by an earthquake just as the Pacific Ocean archipelago was reeling from heavy flooding.
80 million Americans are in the grip of a storm that will not quit. And tonight, postcards are streaming in from a kind of water world.
Floods from a storm that hit last week have left entire cities and towns virtually underwater.
And the worst floods to hit the Balkans in more than a century.
Mysterious lights hovering in the skies across several parts of the country.
New UFO sightings are reported all the time, and often we never get an explanation.